How to see your Gcash referral code. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you want to check out your Gcash referral code, here is the quick way. Firstly, launch your Gcash application and make sure to log in into your account. Once you are logged in order to pop up a list of options, tap on the menu icon and select on Refer Friends. When you tap on it, you will find various of methods you can refer Gcash to your friend. You can select Messenger, SMS, or even share code or link option. You can select on any of this option that you prefer. For an example, I'll be choosing on the option of more so that I can copy the link. From here at the very top, you should see your referral code. You can easily copy the code and paste it as well, or just tap on send to contacts or tap on share this code. Once you do this, you'll be able to share your referral code directly with your contact as well. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.